We were going through some of our old supplies and materials and ran into some styrene that reminded us of a good product to share with you. Door hangers. We used to cut them from styrene and then use UV flatbed printers to add designs to them. And let me tell you, door hangers were an excellent selling product. So we asked ourselves, how could we make them with a laser if we didn't have access to printers? And came up with this video of some options that you might be able to use if you wanted to make them and sell them for yourselves. We've also put together a file of popular door hanger shapes along with some original artwork that you can use if you'd like to make anything you see here yourself. Please see the description below for information on how to get this file. Now, if all you have is a laser and no other decorating equipment, then the obvious materials you might want to use are wood or acrylic. With these, you can engrave the design right into the material and then cut out the shape of the door hanger, and you're pretty much done. The only drawback is a fairly significant one though. You're going to be very limited in your door hanger shape as these materials aren't going to be very flexible. The only really workable door hanger designs in this case will be the type where you cut a large hole in the hanger, so it can be slipped over a doorknob or handle without the need for bending. If you want to go the extra step and add color to your door hangers, then you have a few options. Paint filling and engraving or masking to create a temporary stencil for spray painting are good options. We do this all the time, but we would also recommend adding a cheap vinyl cutter to your equipment arsenal, as it comes in handy all the time, especially if you make signs. Now, styrene is a really cheap material that can be laser cut. We found this is an ideal material for door hangers as it's extremely strong while also being very flexible. You can cut it into all sorts of shapes that will work great for door hangers. The only trick with laser cutting this material is that you absolutely have to have an exhaust and good air assist. And we found that if you're cutting all the way through, you need to cut it nice and slow so that the air assist can keep up and suppress any flare-ups. One little flare-up and you'll get a black sooty mess ruining the entire job. But you can't engrave this stuff. However, styrene can be printed on, painted, and vinyl stickers adhere great to it. I would also add that styrene will work extremely well for other products such as signs, novelty license plates, luggage tags, coasters, stencils, etc., etc. Now, what we made here was certainly not an exhaustive list of door hanger possibilities, just some of them. You could source leather door hangers that you only need to engrave, or you could also make these out of materials like chipboard or cardstock, but their cheap nature would be better suited to promotional applications. There's probably a lot of other materials that we haven't even thought of that would also work. If you can think of anything that we missed, why not mention in the comments below?